There's the 11th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. Number 11 reads, which finding, if true, most directly undermine, which means to weaken, Foster's hypothesis. When you see the word hypothesis, look for it in verb form in the last sentence of the paragraph. We see it here, hypothesize. So we want to read, but we want to focus on that. And undermine means to weaken. So in the beginning, it says that otters damage the roots of eelgrass. And so if there's more otters, the eelgrass is not doing as well. So I put a plus next to otters, otters next to eelgrass. Foster compared the Vancouver Island meadows to meadows where otters are absent or were introduced only recently. Vancouver Island meadow has more diverse gene pool than others. So Foster hypothesized that damage to the eelgrass roots benefits the meadow's overall health. So if there's more otters, the eelgrass roots are damaged, they're doing worse, and then the meadows are better. So notice the relationship between the otters doing well and the meadows doing well. Lots of otters for a long time, and then the meadows are doing well. So what's going to weaken that is if there's lots of otters and the meadows aren't doing so well, or if there aren't so many otters and the meadows are doing well. Correct answer here is C. Several sites not included in the study, eelgrass meadow health correlated negatively with the length of residence and size of otter populations. So in other words, the more otter populations, the worse the eelgrass meadows were doing. See the following video, including why every wrong answer is wrong. Check us out on YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, Test 2, Module 2B. The harder set of, it's on the playlist, the harder set of reading and writing questions. The longer videos are above these shorter videos. Have a great day.